Okay, so let's get started with the virtual machine once again. So I'll just walk through with the theory once again. Okay, why virtual machine, how to create a virtual machine. The main agenda for this training would be we would be connecting with the virtual machine. Okay, and we'll try to connect the virtual machine with three things. Okay, I mean one with the lower configuration, one with the highest configuration, and we'll try to see how they behaves. So main agenda is you have to log into the virtual machine. You have to work as the same as we are doing it for us. Okay, both we have to do it, right? Now understand that. So there is one project on this. The project is you have to log into the virtual machine. You have to log in, you have to go inside the virtual machine, and after connecting to the virtual machine, you have to create a app services, or not only app service, any Azure service you have to do it, function app, whatever you want, you do it. Okay, but it has to be deployed. Okay, so that is our project for this. So let's try to understand in the virtual machine part. Okay, what do you mean by virtual machine? It is a virtually system. It's a virtual system. I gave one example yesterday for the virtual machine. Okay, like let's see, there is a project actually. Okay, so it cost I'm like we are getting that revenue from the project is around 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs. Okay, we're getting the revenue of 5 lakhs in that. Okay, so if you complete the project, you're gonna get 5 lakhs rupee from the client. But the thing is, they have a requirement that you have to go ahead with some i7 processor with 2 TB of like SSD card with that. Then only you could be able to take up the record. Okay, so that is your part. Okay, another thing is, please come. Okay, another thing is if you wanted to go with that option, okay, so if you're gonna purchase that, you'll have to pay around 1 lakh rupee per system, right? Around, for getting that laptop with i7 processor and with 2 TB of SSD RAM. Okay, not RAM, SSD basically. Okay, so it will be around 2 lakh rupee, and you are two friends. So two friends means 1 plus 1, 2 lakhs gone. If the project will be there for 2 weeks of time, and then again you have to you'll not be getting that project. It's a waste of money for you. So what we decided that let's go for the rental. Okay, we can go to Ameerpet and we can get the rent on the laptop, same configuration laptop. I can get it in 1,000 rupee or 2,000 rupee per month. Okay, 2,000 rupee per month we can get it out. Okay, so 2,000, 2,000, 4,000 you have invested, you are getting 5 lakh rupee. That is one idea. Another idea is you are purchasing the new laptop, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. 2 lakh you are purchasing, 2 lakh you are giving it, and you are getting 5 lakhs. So which one is more beneficial? Rental is right. That too, there is no guarantee, no, like tomorrow you're gonna get the same project or not. Okay, there's no guarantee that tomorrow you're gonna get the same project or not. Okay, clear, no? So this is about that here. Okay, right. So now we have got a concept of virtual machine basically. Okay, so if we got the concept of virtual machine, let's try to understand, okay, how to create the virtual machine. And before going to the virtual machine, let's try to understand about the VDI, virtual desktop infrastructure. Yes, it's an infrastructure, not interface. Okay, it's a virtual desktop infrastructure. What we're gonna do in that, in the VDI basically is, okay, so the organization, basically the organization which is coming from the banking industry. Okay, banking, our guys are more secure because the data are very secure, especially if your client is from the USA. Okay, they are very particular about the data. They will not be relieving any data to you. Okay, that's fine actually for you if you're gonna do that. And have a actually one I heard it in that one of the organization. What happened? Let's see, something went wrong with the student and management. Sorry, not employee and management. So what the employee they did, they downloaded, they just downloaded all the code to their personal repository. Okay, they pull request and then downloaded all the thing in the personal repository. Okay, and then later they started sending that code to the computer of the company. It happened. It is a real thing. I'm not telling the wrong. It happened last year with one of my friend's office. I'll not reveal the company name, but yes, it happened. So what happened then? Client came to know that they have given around 120 crore fine. 120 crore to the company. Understand how difficult situation that would be. And that guy who did it, they have handed over to police. They are now inside the custody. Okay, because that is illegal. You cannot share that any personal information to anyone. Personal phone number, mobile number is a different thing, yeah. Okay, but thing is, a code is important for them, no? Right? You are taking an entire business from them, right? They are earning from them that only, right? So, in order to avoid these all things, right? We have went to that option called as a VDI, virtual desktop infrastructure, right? So virtual desktop infrastructure, what it does is basically it will look and feel look like a virtual machine only. Okay, if you have a system with you, okay, here bottom you'll have get one VDI option for that. Okay, so if you click on it, you'll be connected to the world of another virtual system. So there it's not only 2 GB, 3 GB, you will have a enough space, 500 GB of data would be there. You can store the data. Okay, for that purpose, there is a different company who is taking care of the VDI. We have a different companies who's taking care of the VDIs. Basically, the famous company is called as a VMware. Okay, the famous company is VMware. I'll show you also. Okay, this is a famous company that who does. What is that? VMware. It says no. An American cloud computing and virtualization technology will give the headquarters in the cloud. Okay. So this is giving that desktop software to run on the Microsoft, Linux, and OS everything. So you can able to run all these three environment. Okay. So this is the VMware that give the virtual desktop to you. Okay. So now cost. Because as you know, the virtual machine is very costly. Okay. So we have seen yesterday, no, 8 GB of data. We have given 4,000 rupee, right? So what about the VDI? They're using 500 GB of data continuously. Obviously, it will be costly. No, it will not be heavy costly. The reason for that, no, VMware is getting, let's see, they have got 100 TB of data from the Azure. Okay, 100 TB would be some cheaper for them, right? How much you will go for the more, it will be more cheaper. Okay, so they have got the data into that. I'm like, the space they have got it, and they divide it into small unit, a small VDI. They hand it over to you. So if you compare with the VDI and the virtual machine, VDI is much cheaper. Why? Because cheaper is for per month it will be costing around 2,000 rupee. Maximum it will be 2,000 rupee, not more than that. Okay, so it will be around 2,000 rupee for per month. It will be coming up. Okay, around 2,000, not more than that. But if you go to your VDI virtual machine, for 4 GB, you'll get more than 4,000 per month. Right? No, that's a difference between VDI and the virtual machine. Fine, we'll learn more on the VDI a bit later. Okay, let's try to go now and create our virtual machine straightforward. Okay, so if you go and create a virtual machine, nothing is there in that. Okay, go back to your home page of the portal.azure.com. Okay, portal.azure.com. Right. In this virtual machine, you have to learn one thing: IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. What is this type of services we have? Okay, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Okay, we learn on this only. So let's see. I wanted to create a virtual machine. Pretty simple. Nothing is there. You just go to your virtual machine. Okay, come over there in the virtual machine. Click on that. Okay, you have the virtual machine to display over here. Now what to do? You don't have anything. Just go to the virtual machine. So 4-5 options would be coming up for you. First one we have to choose because you wanted to host a virtual machine. This all is already if you have a configuration with you, some organization level. That is the part. This is all the organization, non-Azure environment. This is all the organization part, buddy. So let's go with our option called Azure Virtual Machine. Click on that. Jitender, if you're getting the issues, okay, map network, wrong error path. This is the issue with your hardware of the network. Okay, just you can try making use of it, some other laptop in that. It's nowhere issue related to your like Azure. It's not related to your what is that, local. Okay, so this is your problem over here. It's coming up. Okay, this space. So on this space virtual machine, you have to be aware of what all the data we have to enter. So come bit down here. We'll have an option of resource group. Can you see? Resource group. So choose your resource group and give the option as a resource group as a anything, your choice, you whatever you're chosen, right? Give the Naveen training. Okay, I'm into Naveen training. I'll go to the virtual machine name. Let's give the virtual machine at Azure 9 a.m. July 1. Okay, VM1. Okay, that is my virtual machine name. Reason, which area where is nearby your client, so that you can give that reason to the client. Okay, come down. Security type, this is the launch by, okay, 3 types are there. Go with the standard one. Okay, come back here. We use that 10 Pro yesterday also, 11 Pro, latest is with there. So go with the 10 Pro, come back here. Okay, so we'll go with this. So I've shown you know, somebody asked a question, the free trial. I think the free trial has been removed from your like virtual machine. Earlier we had it, okay. We had it, the free trial option over there. I'm like free option would be also there. 1 minute, let me check with other regions. Okay. No, charges are bit based on the location. Okay, based on the location, charges would be up and down. Why location? Because the location it depends on how much resource you need to manage your virtual machine. That's why based on the resources, your charges would be up and down. Okay, fine. I'll go with this time lower one. I'll go and I'll go with the highest one. Free is not there, so I'll go with lower 3.1 one time, and one time I'll go with this 11,000. Okay, so let me go with first time as a one. Okay, 1 minute. Let's check. Okay, so right, understand. This is another runtime spot. Have a look, please. So when you're choosing this, right? So if you go with this spot, what happens? No, it is a free trial kind of thing. Okay, so it will be coming at very less charges, but all the services will not be available on that. You are not able to work as frequently you are working for the paid one, or like how you are working in the free space, like this web page. Okay, you are working on your what to say, you're working in your Azure trial, right? Free trial, no? That is the one option. In that, if you go, function app will not be able to support now in the free trial. Okay, but if you go to the pay as you go, you'll have that option for available for you. So if you go with the run with the Azure spot discount, the charge, see the difference here. Someone is charging you 3,002 rupees per month. Okay, if you go with the discount, it will be charged 0.0283 per month. So it would be coming around, I guess 75 or something, 70 rupees, no less than 7 rupees or something will come. Okay, so per month I'm per hour 7 rupees, so 1856. It would be going around, hardly it will go no like below 1,000 only. So don't go with that runtime stop. It's a, like no, just 1 minute, 2 minute will use it, right? How much it will charge? It will charge hardly 7 rupee, 10 rupee hardly. Okay, not more than that. So go with the full-fledged version. Okay, so come with this option. Now you have to give your, this is option for you. Okay, give this either this or this. Let's go with the 3.5 now. Okay, go with this. Give the username. So you are trying to give the username. If you try to go with that username, what basically it is happening is when you are going to connect to the virtual machine, no, you need this username and password. Okay, at the time of connection to the virtual machine, you guys need this username password. So give it, be mindful while giving. Okay, so I'll use this. I'll go to the password. Okay, password is this one. Okay, so let me make someone note somewhere. Anyway, if your virtual machine password is you are forgetting it, you can reset it also with the help of admin. Okay, you just give the your account detail with your this like Azure Training Hyderabad. This is that part we have given, no? So give the detail name here. They'll try to get it the virtual name and they'll give it to you. They'll reset your password. through the AAD. Admin guys, okay? Location or any location is, yes, Ganesh, location is totally dependent on your client. Wherever you have a client, based on the location, the charges will go up and down. Okay. Location is totally dependent on your client location, nearby client location. Okay. Come over here. Now, yes. So this is a way to connect to your VD, not VDI, VM. So we have different way. Okay. HTTP, HTTPS, SSH, and RDP. RDP is a main through port, or okay, it's something called as a remote desktop ports basically. Okay, so through which you are able to connect. Okay, but it is suggested that give select all. In case if not, then we'll go with others also. So you are suggested to give all these options, buddy. Okay, try to go with all the options which is you're having it. Come that with is okay, and just go to the disk. These all are that optional. You don't need to go and choose it anything. Anyway, please go ahead and try to choose that. Okay, with the trial version, we cannot use that virtual machine. With the free trial, yes, you can use it. Guys, it's not a problem. You could be able to use it. Free trial also you can be able to use, or they have blocked. I'm not sure. Work, no? It's working, no? It's working, buddy. You can use it. Free trial also you can use it, dear. It's not a problem. Only thing, whatever the amount you got, 15,800, right? They'll get debit from that amount. That's it. You can able to use it, dear. Karuna. Okay, come back here. Scroll bit down, scroll bit down. These all things not your job. Let's go to the management, monitoring, advanced, tags, review and create it. Let's review and create it. So it will review your like virtual machine. Okay, all the things, and then it'll come. See, yesterday was some different plan, right? It was taking 7 rupee per hour. But this is a different plan. So it is taking 4.47 rupee per hour. Okay. So if you are your virtual machine, you are not connected also, no, it's not a problem. They will start deducting the amount from you. Okay. So if you are connecting or not connected, it's not a problem. They'll start debited from your account per hour basis. Okay. So let's click on the create. So I'm going to create a virtual machine. So it might take 2-3 minutes of time. Okay. Okay. It's in progress. You are creating virtual machine award. Huh? Okay. So my deployment has completed, right? So this is done. You completed your deployment is completed. So we have deployed that 3 GB. We'll deploy one 16 GB also a bit later. Okay. And we'll see the difference. So can you stop the VM? Yes, you can able to stop it. I'll show you how to stop it. See, when you are connecting it, no, whenever you are creating that VM, no, it will start running actually. So whenever the status says running, that means your charge is started. Whenever you don't want it, let's see, today I don't want to use it. Okay. Tomorrow I need it. So stop it. It will not be charged. Tomorrow you can again restart that. Okay. That you could do, Aniket. Data, which data? Okay, data will be there. Only the services will be stopped. Okay, services will be stopped. You'll not be charged. You'll not be able to live to that virtual machine. If you are able to log in, you cannot able to log into virtual machine. Tomorrow when we need that, restart it. Automatically same data will come to you. Okay, no doubt. Come here. Let's go to the go to resources. I'll come to my virtual machine. So this is here the virtual machine. You'll have option to create it. So still it is not ready. Okay. So it might take some time. Just now it created. No, it might take some time to get it ready. Okay. So, but you'll have these all things, this location name, subscription name, one zone I have made it. This is the IP address of my virtual machine. So all the virtual machine will have one IP address. Okay. So they will generate that IP address for you. You can deallocate it from one region to other region also. We'll let you know. Okay. Deallocate means, let's see, some space is there. Okay. Or you don't want it. So you can just stop it. You can delocate means you can delete it also or deallocate it. We'll let you know, dear. Don't worry. Okay. We'll do some project on this and we can understand that. Still, it is not completed yet. It's not active here. Fine. Let's refresh it out. Okay. We'll come to know. Let's go to the AZVM1. Okay. AZVM1. Okay. Guys, he is asking what is the actual role of the DevOps engineer in that VM. Nothing is there, buddy. What happens is sometime you have to deploy your application in your VM. Okay. So this is the client requirement. So what the client would be saying that you have to deploy my Facebook to the VM. Okay. Virtual machine, not your local laptop. I don't want that. I want into the VM deployment. In that case, what you have to do, you have to log into the VM. You have to create a VM, but not lower version. Try to go with the high configuration, 16 GB kind of thing. Go there, log in there, log in with your portal. Same portal you can get it. The portal.azure.com, right? That is also there. And you can try to log in with your dev.azure.com also. Log in there, try to deploy your application to your CI/CD pipeline or something. You do it in your VM. That's what I say, we will do that also. Okay. We'll try to log into VM. We'll try to deploy our application on the VM only. That is our role actually. Okay. Anything else, Karuna? Okay. I'll go and try to connect it. Let's give a try. You might have loaded. It's going the message here. Go to connect. Now, if you'll go to connect option, it will download it seems. Okay. 1 minute. It's not ready, no, so it's not able to download it, Still, it is able to connect it out. Let me restart the services of this. If you see it is going to restart, it will be like here, the notification. So when it will get the option of connect, it will ask you whether you wanted to connect with RDP, SSH or HTTP. So just choose that RDP, your file will get downloaded. You can click on it, it will get connected. Still it is going on there, restarting it. So subscription ID will be the same. Okay. You can make use of the same subscription ID in the VM as well. Okay, successfully restarted it. Let's go and try to get the RDP. Come please, it's not coming up still. Okay, I'll try to go and select this native RTP. Okay. So it will try to validate this all three areas. So once you'll get this, actually see, it is updating. If you remember, maybe Rajesh, you attended the previous class? No. So actually the previous batch when I am doing it, okay, that look and feel was entirely different. This is not, this is the new look and feel I'm getting it. Okay, this, no, it was not there. It is not coming up this. Okay, I was getting something this. When I'm clicking on the connect, right, automatically I'm getting that option whether you wanted to connect with RDP, HTTP or SSH. I'm clicking on RDP, it is downloading it. If someone have used it before, not sure. But now it has given the different, this is the option is getting it. Okay, so let's click it out. So it keep on upgrading, that Azure used to keep on upgrading some things, okay. So 3 requests has to be completed. 3 requests, okay. First request is whatever the pre-requisite is there, that will come. Another is a port access, and this is important. Until unless your system is not having that IP address. Out of 90 people, right? We are how many there now? 60 and I think 30 online, right? So 90 people, 1 or 2 guys will stuck it here. Your system will not be able to identify the IP address. Okay. Your system will not be able to identify the IP address. So please check with your networking guys, anyone. So ask them that I'm not able to connect to my IP address. Okay. So then it will resolve. So this is that. What you can do, you can come down and you download the RDP file. Okay. RDP file. Just download the RDP file. Okay. Download the RDP file. Okay. So it says that you wanted to connect with remote desktop. So go with your download and open the RDP file. I have downloaded it here. Okay. Very good. Close this. Okay. And go back to, this is the file, no? Click on this, it will try to open it. So it will give you, you wanted to go ahead, it's like no remote connection, are you okay to go with this? Some warning message will get it out. Say that yes, I'm okay, I wanted to connect it. So let's click on the connect. So it is trying to connect it with your virtual machine. So give your credentials that we have used it for login. I have used this, right? Oh, pardon. Sorry. As of this, okay, right? Let's see. Okay. Okay. Exactly same you will be getting as a VDI. VDI also guys would be the same. When you're trying to connect the VDI, no, you'll work with the VDI, same look and feel you'll get it. Here also the VDI, okay. Similarly, you'll get it, the VDI. So it is trying to get ready your new system. You have used the 10 Pro, 10 Pro like VM will come. If you use the 11, 11 will come. Okay. Whatever you use that OS, that will come. One minute, guys. Dear, okay. This setting and all, the privacy setting and all, it will come. It's like, no, I just wanted to, don't want to make any changes. I just had to go to accept it out, location and all, and it is going to the system. So like how you are getting a new system, right? You will not be having anything. Okay. So it will go and like try to choose it. So based on your local system, whatever you have joined the local network, same local network, it will try to connect it out. Okay. So try to connect with your local system network only. Let it load completely, still not loaded completely. Okay. So it's a brand new system with you. Okay. So now, as you know that no, whenever the new system is coming for window, you will be not getting that Chrome, Mozilla and others. You have to download it, right? You have to download it. So by default, you would be getting, okay, one good question for you. Okay, please try to, why the time is coming 4:11? Okay, right. So it's not our time, right? Yeah. So it is a reason based time, right? Okay, there, how much time it is there, it would be them. This is the client time basically. When you're connecting to the VM, it will go to the client time. Okay. Yes, you have option that this option. Okay, next time it will not be coming always. So this is the plus symbol and the symbol. It's see, pin and pin is there. Okay, you can able to toggle that. So location, very good. So understand that. Okay. So let's see, you required to go and I wanted to work on my local. So nothing is, I just click on this minimize button, you are on the local. Okay. If you again wanted to go, okay, you just go to this here, you can come here. You can switch between 1 and 2. But again, you cannot copy anything from the virtual machine to your local. Please understand. This is for the security purpose, right? So the security must be maintained in that. Okay, no? Now fine, nothing is there in that. Okay, let's try to go to our, I'll make use of this only. So what I'll do, I'll try to show you login with my portal account here also. And then I'll go and create a 16 GB of virtual machine. I'll try to log in that as well. Okay. Now one good question you might be asking with me. Okay. We can copy local to the VM. Buddy, there is nothing here to copy and paste it. There's no data communication actually here. Okay, data communication will not be there. Then if the data communication is there, then what is the use of VM? There is no security at all. Okay, VM is used for the security purpose only, my dear friends. Okay, if in case you're trying also, don't try it in the organization. You get caught, then it will be a serious issue for you. You will be thinking that, okay, I'm just trying it, right? But organization will think that you are getting some data theft thing you are doing. Complete? Yeah, we have, this is I'm like, I told the VMware, right? Similar to that, we have multiples. Not only VMware, we have a different supporters of the VMS, but that is a very famous in market. Not from today, it is famous for past 10 years. I worked in 6 years back with the VMware. Okay, but look and feel will be different. We can customize it. Customize basis of your organization. Okay, that color, look up the page and all, everything you can customize. Okay, let's see that. I will go ahead and I'll try to go with sign in with my here. Okay, it might take some time to load your home page of your is. Why we are not using IE nowadays? IE, Internet Explorer. This is upgraded version. Is it okay? So, but earlier I was getting IE here, E symbol. Why I'm not getting now? So upgraded, they have given this, right? Okay. Are you sure? So you're not reading the news, it means. Last year, July 2022, I'm not sure the date. They have IE got retired. Okay, you cannot find IE in the market now. Okay, you cannot find IE in the market nowhere. If someone is saying that interviewer is asking anything, no, please try to say that. Internet Explorer is retired. Okay. Like how human being retired, no, this guy also retired. July or June, sorry, I said July. June 15th, he got retired. Okay, so their service has stopped and even the Word has taken him, Microsoft take him back. They're not giving the service now. Okay, for that they have launched Edge, Microsoft Edge. Fine, come here. Let's come to our here. I wanted to go to my here desktop. I'm good with this now. Let's try to log in my portal here. So portal.azure.com, right? See the speed you'll come to know. Can you see here? So this is not, this is okay. But if you have seen that long back, they have removed the free service actually, but it was there 2 months back. It was there. So if you would have seen that free trial, no, he'll not be able to come to this space. Keep on rotating like 2G world. Okay, it was the same. You're not able to like open it also. Okay, as you mentioned that we cannot copy it from that here. How to deploy the website in that VM? Have a look, please. What is the question, Karuna? As you mentioned earlier, we cannot copy. See, copying is not there, buddy. It's not needed at all. Okay, why there is a need of copy? How to deploy the website in the VM? Do you have answer for that? No answer? Any answer for you? See, you are going to DevOps portal. DevOps portal already there, no. There, that DevOps portal, this DevOps portal, both are same, right? Already code is there in that. I can deploy it. You can log into GitHub. GitHub, the portal is there with you. So GitHub, we have the same code. That's how you can deploy it. For deployment, what you need? You need a code, right? That's it, no? You need to have a code with you, Karuna, right? That's it, no? Okay, let me try to go with my portal.azure.com. Okay, I'll try to log in with my ID. Right? I'm able to log in. Now you can create some services over there. You can go back and you can try to connect with the Azure DevOps account. Let's not do it here. Okay, I'll go back to my 16 GB of space. It would be faster actually. Okay, let's do in that. Okay. So you understand now what is the task we have to do here? Any application, again, please understand, any application, not only Facebook, Google, smallest application that will run to your VM only. Okay. And that has to give a continuous support has to come with the VM, because if it is not running, it doesn't have a support of VM, will not able to get that. If your VM is down, server itself is down. That's why we are getting that 500 error, internal server error, or like you're not able to connect to the server. There might be the chance that VM also be down. Okay. So we'll have a VM on any application that will run on the VM only. Okay. We have to run the application on the VM only. Yeah, please. Yes, I know you have this question in your mind. I know. I will say that. Okay. I understand that the people will have this question. Every batch I used to get this question, but I know that. Now, good question. I have given this assignment to you only. Okay. Try to create a VM. Create it, nothing bad. You create it, try to give a creation. What will happen? Okay. And tell me one thing, what will get in that? You have to tell me both the thing. Okay. Tomorrow class, Monday class, you try to create a VM inside the VM. Okay. That's one task. And you are creating for some purpose you are creating, or just for joke? If you're creating that, for what purpose you are creating, you have to tell me the answer also. Right? No. You got my point, right? But give it a try. Nothing bad, no? Give it a try, please. No. It totally depends on internet connectivity. If I have a very less configuration, okay, I'm going to go to dual code. Okay, go with that also. It's not a problem. But yes, go to Duo has processing time, right? If your application, if your website only will not load, you have a very good internet connectivity, but your processor is very slow. What you can do? You cannot do anything. No, it should be okay. It should be okay that you can run it. Speed and all will be taken care by your VM machine. Okay, no, but it should be some base level. Now don't go to the DOS world, okay? And you're trying to create a VM in that you wanted to explore it, that is a different, right? Window XP, right? These all are outdated in the market now. I'll go and create now like a VM, then what happened? First, it will not allow you to create also, right? Even you have a good internet connectivity also, right here. Fine, I'll just log out from here, okay? And I'll go back and create a 16 GB of memory, higher top end, okay? And then I'll try to show you how to move ahead with that, okay? Fine, so what to do? I'll just stop it here. Close it. If you wanted to close, just close it here. Okay, let's go with the process now. Let me log out from here. Sorry. Six inside the VM only, right? Then it's no use, no. VL, the same. The assignment for Mr. What is the name? Manohar. This is assignment for Manohar, no. Then why should I do his assignment? Good, yeah, it's good. I know. When I was created, no, someone asked this question. It was in my mind. Please create, okay. Manohar, create one VM inside VMware. And try to, don't forget to connect also. Huh? Give it a try. Fine. So I'll just close this, okay. So it says that all the program will continue to run even you are disconnected also. Continue to run means sense like it is running. Until unless it's running, no, my application will run. Let's see, I deployed my application here, buddy. Facebook, I deployed it, okay. I deployed the Facebook on that. Install the Facebook, how we can install Facebook and Chrome in that VM or Chrome in the VM, but you can install, no problem. Let me tell you, cancel here, okay. You can log in, you can download anything. You have a space, you have taken 3.5 GB of space, right? For what you have taken? See this. This all time, real time, no, basically this all task of admin only. Will not be working on it. They will create a VM for you. They'll create a VM for you in case of deployment of the customer requirement is coming up. They'll create a VM, but you have to deploy the code. No, access they'll give it. It's not. It's a simple thing. It's not a big deal. No, they can. If you're gonna create a VM illegally, also, end of the day, right? It's responsibility of Azure admin. They'll walk through everything. They'll walk through everything what you have done entire day. If it is needed, they'll keep it or they'll delete it. Okay. Someone asked the question, no? What is a space? Yes, Docker also same thing, no? In the virtual, you were right, buddy. Same, it is a same Docker, same thing, no? You'll have a space. Where is that? Okay. So see that the GB of table memory, they have taken the local space of 7 GB of memory here. Okay. This is just a temporary storage. Whatever you wanted to, let's say you are creating some application on that. So you'll go and store here. You're storing some data. It will store and stay here. It's not a permanent memory. So just a temporary memory. Until unless you are coming with this, it will be there. Now let me go to this here, this PC. Okay. So this is C drive and the, so tell me what are the C drive? Who's the C drive? Local. You're right. 100 GB of the local. And this is temporary for, mine will not come. My hard disk will not come here. Okay, no, my hard disk will not come here, dear. Okay, so let me go back to this, close this. Okay, so I'm connected to this. I'll go back to here and let's go to the virtual machine here. I'll try to choose it out. I'll stop it. Okay, I'll not delete it. I'll just stop it. Okay, you make sure you are working. Please stop it. Otherwise, you'll get a very good bill. It happened to me one day in last class. I think Rajesh have seen it. Okay, the bill was 2,800 on Friday. Today, Friday, same day here. Okay, today is a Friday. It was 2,800. Okay, when I logged into Monday, it was 4,400 due to 2 VM with high top 16 GB of memory. Every hour 6-7 rupee here. Okay. Very good. See, like, huh. Let me say that. Let's talk simple in your payslip. This is not a non-cloud app. This is not a cloud application. This is my personal thing. That is my application, not a cloud. So let's see, you are working on VDI. You're working on VDI. Okay. So your application will be in the VDI, right? In the cloud. You are logged in with the VDI. So you can see everything. You can download also to your local. It'll download will come for the VDI local, not your local. It will come. You can able to download it. But if you wanted to need for your reference, you have to talk to your admin guys or your manager. Okay. Hey, I need this data for my personal use. Then what the admin guys will do, they'll send that data to your local, or they'll just mail you. Okay, they'll create a, yeah, they'll have. They used to have no, I'm like, they're management, right? They have to have it because multiple data is there with them, right? They wanted to download. Then what? Then how I'll get my payslip? I resigned it. No, it will be in that office only. I'm like that cloud. They will like delete it. Every data will be demolished over there, right? Will not be having anything over there. So they'll have that data from that. Okay, they'll have. Then you have to. Not you. Even I had that issue long time when I left this Bank of America, right? My payslip, Form 16, everything is there only. So what they will do it, they will basically, first of all, they'll delete all the project related things from you. Okay. Then they'll give that access that you can send a mail to your Gmail also. Okay. But some organization, what that organization did for me, POA, they have blocked my Gmail. If you're sending any email from outside that your organization, let's see my organization @naresit.com. Okay. If something is there at naresit.com. So if I'm going to drop a message with gmail.com, it'll be not stopped. It will not be sent actually. Okay. And your admin and manager will be notified. He was trying to access that your Gmail. Okay. Now you'll get a good class. Okay. You get a good class. You have to tell it, okay, this is the reason I wanted to send it. What is the reason? If you have, it's very clearly said that if you need something, please talk to me. I'll give it to you. So send to your manager will send to you. Then you check with your like Gmail. I'm not sure they have enabled the Gmail or not. You tried it, no? You'll get a blocker, some address blocker, something you'll get it. Incoming is there, outgoing is not there. Okay, you can send the data. You are sending your personal data. So VM will be happy, share your personal data. But I'll not share my personal data to your Gmail. Sorry? No. You are not getting the point. They're not blocking the Gmail only. They will block all the host, all your like @Gmail is there, no? Let's see, my ID is Naveen @naresit.com. So you can send the mail to only Manoj, Javi, Rajesh @naresit.com only. Whoever website is naresit.com, they only can do it. No, not apart from the Naresit, not apart from the Wipro.com, not apart from Outlook.com, nothing. You can just go with only that only @naresit.com only. Only domain of your organization. You are gonna send to whom you will send? You send to your friend, right? What your friend will do? He also cannot send it to that. It's not a work from home. Okay, if it is work from home, you can download it, but you can take a photo also. That's it. You cannot do anything. Okay. So actually, I stuck in there. I'll tell you my personal story. 3-4 years back, when I was working with Wells Fargo, okay, I need a loan of some amount. Okay, loan I needed, personal loan. My loan is almost approved. Okay, but they wanted to check my organization. So what they said me that please give me your Wells Fargo email ID. I given the Wells Fargo email ID. Then they have sent a mail that welcome or congratulations, your loan is in progress. If you wanted to move ahead, click here. I did that. They have to do it. Okay. When I click on that, it went to the another page. Another page saying that say yes, you are responsible for that. When I'm typing in send, it did not go. It blocked actually. Okay. Then I was stuck here. That is a COVID situation. Work from home. Okay. December 2022. No, 2000 actually. So what to do? I got stuck here. My manager will say, why did you do click on that? It's a spam. It may be like no. Then what to do? I went to manager, clearly said, called her, madam, this is the issue. Okay, there's a marriage in my home. I need the money. So I did it. I don't know that we have to click or not. I did it accidentally. That is my mistake. Before asking question, I agreed it. I this is a mistake. Okay. They then see that okay, no problem. Send that mail to me. So that mail went to manager. Manager clicked it and she typed it. Yes, I agree for that. Then the loan got approved. It came to my account. Okay. So that you have to take care. These all things you have to take care. Don't break any rule of the VDI. If you break the rule, the chances are there you'll be thrown out of the industry also. They're very strict. They don't know whether you are trying to copy the code or not. But they'll think that your intention is to do that only. You're trying to copy something. No, you're sending it. So the intention, you're trying to check whether you're copying or not. Okay. So be very, rest assured on this. Okay. You have to check it out. If something you needed, please cross check your manager, lead, HR, whatever it is there. But don't do it from your side. Okay. So we have just connected this. Okay. I have stopped it actually. Okay. Still it is running it. Okay. So meanwhile it is stopping. Let me go to my home page. I'll try to create a different virtual machine with a 16 GB of memory. Let's come to my create here. Let's give it a virtual machine here. Try to connect with one more virtual machine. Let's make it as a Naveen VM machine 2. Okay. I'll give it here. It got a stop, it seems. Come here. Go this time with some other memory here. Okay. Let's come to our India. Okay. And try to come with the standard here. Okay. Come back here. Choose the different window 16, 19. Let's go this time with 11. Okay. And give the, see, India is giving only one option to you, 3.5 GB. Okay. You can create the VM of that only spaces, not more than that. Fine. Let me go with some trusted launch virtual machine. Let's see. No, still the same. Okay. I'll not go with the India then. Let me go with the central US. Only one service with 3.5. What we used last time is to US. Is to US 2, no? We used 2, I guess. We got all the option, right? Is to US only. So here also, no, we have some quota with your memory virtual machine. Okay. I'm using pay as you go, but doesn't mean that this is not a no business one. This is a personal use. I made it out. Okay. So what is that? East to west, right? Let's go with the east to west. East to west. Then standard. What happened to all? It was there, right? 11 GB, 16 GB. Let's go with the 16 GB of memory this time. 11,000. This I was looking. Okay. Now come to that name is space of this. Okay. 1 minute was. Okay, come here. Username, let's give it what I gave last time. I'll use something different in that. VM1, right? So I'll use this time as a VM2. Okay, go with the VM2. Choose the same password. I'll go with everyone. So I confirm disk, local networking management, advanced, review and create it. Let it get created. So this time I'll try to create one service. So that was 4 rupees something. This is 15 rupee. It's costly. Validation got passed. Let's create it. No, it has allocated. It has allocated to that resource group, right? You have created the resource group under that. Dheeraj. So mine is created here. Okay. I'll go back to the go to resources. Try to click on the connect option. RDP. Let's load it first. It is trying to connect it out. Okay. RDP. Your IP address would be this. So let it get validation completely. We have to wait until this checkbox is coming up. It's checked it. Okay. Come down. Try to download the RDP file. Try to download the RDP file. Came right. Try to connect with that. Yes, I wanted to connect. Give the ID here. What happened? Any doubt? Speak up, man, if you have doubt. Any doubt? कुछ है डाउट पूछो नहीं Azure 1 2 3 4 5 6 okay so we'll try to connect here okay so see the speed I'm like the difference you can easily see that okay it will load very like the speed would be more the processing time would be very less okay so that you can observe it very clearly here so let's go to here connect it out or connect to yes it has not taken anything why this thing 11 right that was 10 okay that's a no we can spend that some amount and we can get the new laptop for some time let's see if you wanted to work for the new laptop your mood is over like working with the old laptop please create an VM release some amount from your pocket okay how much 5 rupee 10 rupee right per hour let's see you wanted to work for 2 hours create a VM in your Azure go for that right if you're using it as a free trial that is also free this is also free right okay accept it okay look better now it will be very fast okay right so we have came to this I'll go with my A's real quick okay if it is going also it is a speed see speed is you can compare the speed also here so whatever will come it is appropriate will come so let's go with the portal .azure.com I'll just go with my email ID over there first time you'll get this all data because they are syncing up with your Gmail ID sign in okay right I'm on this page right so let's go ahead and try to create app services creating the VM is the responsibility of inside that what you told name Manohar yes Manohar responsibility is to create the VM inside the VM okay I'll do app services so I'll just create app services okay deployment you can take care you just log in with that dev account dev.azure account and you can get some code you just try to do it or these all things you can do it okay so let's go ahead and create an application VM app service 1 one more thing I thought of updating you guys this is for the important announcement for online guys next week most probably timing would be 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock you'll be getting the online support okay Online guys, for the lab, you guys are not getting the support from us, right? So mentor would be connecting to you. It's not a mentor, anyone can connect. If you want, you guys can also connect and you can help other. We'll open one breeze actually. We can make use of that. Okay. This is all you know that now code, Docker code. If you have any Docker file, for you guys will not be knowing the Docker. It is a set of one code actually that is being used for deployment purpose. Okay, in that Docker will not be having any code with you. Okay, so go with the code, choose the language .NET, choose the reason. Okay, these triggers is fine. Let's scroll down. Okay, I'll go and try to deploy it. Networking, monitoring, tags, review and create it. Let's go to create. Okay, so you might have seen that no speed of deployment also is bit okay, because it totally depend on your system, internet, Azure, everything, right? So it is been deployed. Now, what is your role? You please go ahead and try to create a dev.azure.com. Try to create the code for there. Try to deploy it. And Manohar will be creating that VM. Yeah, Manohar, you can create it. It's not a big deal. Okay, just give it a try, huh? And tell me why you are doing it also. Okay, good. Fine, dear. So this is how we look into that. We have left out with one diagram actually. Okay. We did know for your batch. You're not there in that. Okay, let me do that today only then. Okay. So let's stopping here. Okay. Actually, okay. I'll just walk through in a bit fast. Okay. Because Monday you have a class office. Monday you have office. So I'll just walk through with the fast. Anyway, guys, for others, no, we'll repeat it again on the Monday class also. Quick repeat, I'll do it. Okay. So there is something that type of application. We have some type of application basically. Where's that? Pictures. Okay. This one. Okay. Let's try to understand this one. Okay. Yeah. You are my well-wisher, man. Wait, let me do it. You only is my well-wisher, buddy. 1 minute, let me do that. That is the first thing. Okay, it's a 9 GB or no 16 GB. So what to do? Go to virtual machine. I don't need this guy. This top actually deallocated. Okay, deallocated. The space has been removed from there. Okay, this is all deallocated. Okay, let me go and stop it. No, not the stop. I want to delete it. Where is that? Oh, sorry. You have to. Sorry. 1 minute here. I wanted to first stop it and delete it. Let's delete it. Automatically delete, right? So yes. Stop. In real time, it's mandatory to keep the web page and the storage. In real time, it's not mandatory, brother. Okay. Real time, what is your requirement? You have to do. In the real time, let's see, you have to deploy a code with Docker. You have to do it. Let's see, you wanted to create a Kubernetes code, Kubernetes deployment. You have to go do that. It's not only that VM. You can go with that anything. Okay, from where we are getting the net to VM? You are getting the net to VM with your local. Okay, you are connecting with the local node, so you are getting the local net here. Whatever I'm using, right net, same node will go to there. Okay. So it'll get deleted, leave it. Okay. Let me come to the diagram, what I'm showing you. This diagram, right? It seems. No, where is the diagram? Here. Okay, guys, this is important, and minimum 2 interview questions will be coming up in this. Okay. 2 interview questions will be coming on this for sure. And if you go to the AZ 104, or if you go to AZ 900, 400, you'll get minimum 1 or 2 question for your certification. Okay. What is that? What is that? Okay. The question would be here, buddy, is we have a three type of services here. One is called as a IaaS, one is called as a PaaS, and one is called as a SaaS. Okay, I will go a bit fast. Okay, we'll do it same in the Monday session also. Once again, let's understand. Three type of there. First is infrastructure as a code, software as a code, and platform as a code. Okay, and there is something called as a on premises. So left hand side is a on premises. Okay, let's go with the direct to the second one. Let's discuss this diagram only. So on premises means what? The guys who is not following yet any cloud network. Okay, if someone is, guys, 1 minute. No, I have to pick up the call. 1 minute, please. Online guys, just a minute of time. Just have a look here. So I just tried to, okay, go with this example of pizza. Okay. So what is happening in the pizza here is, okay. So let's see, there's a three scenario. You purchase all the item. No, you make all the item your home only. Okay. Duff, oven, no, tomato sauce, chopping, cheese, everything is yours. Okay. Right. So everything is yours. If everything is yours, that is called as a on premises. On premises, you are doing at your home only everything. You are just giving the topping. You are preparing the tomato sauce. You are preparing the duff of pizza. Right. These all you are doing it, right? So these all will be your on premises. That's it. How old people, I mean, like old days, actually people are following up. Okay, we are not following any cloud. We are following at, no, we used to keep our own server and we used to run all the application in our own server. That is the on premises. Let's try to understand what is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS is infrastructure as a service. Okay, so basically IaaS, the example of IaaS is called as a virtual machine. Okay, so what happened is, these all cheese, topping, tomato sauce, and dough. Okay, pizza dough. So these all I'll purchase from outside because I cannot cook this. It's difficult. I'll bring this from outside and I'll cook in my home. Okay, so this is called as a infrastructure as a code. So you are taking some, infrastructure as a service. You are taking some items from that outside and you are using in our home place. Okay. Example means, let's see, I'll go with another image diagram. It will be very clear for you. Second is platform as services. What you are doing it, you are placing an order in the Zomato. Domino's, you are ordering pizza. Okay. You are nicely, you are sitting at home, dining table with the water. Okay. Or cold drink, you are keeping at your table and you are ordering into the Zomato. You are getting the order from the Zomato and you are having it. That is platform as a services. Okay. Everything is done by them. You are just having it in home. That's it. Now You don't have it at home also. Don't do that much of stress work in that home. Go here, take your bike, take your car, go to the Domino's Pizza, sit there, nicely you give the order, make use of their dining table, their water, everything there. Okay. That is called as a software as a service. So software is ready for you. Okay. Software is ready for you. Okay. So let's see what happens is, I'll give one more example to you. One more diagram I'll show you. In that it will be clear to you. This is the pizza one. What is the real time it is coming up? Real time, no, this all data is yours. Like storage data, networking, compute, virtual, these all things you have to take care of the part. But if you go to your infrastructure, this too you cannot get it. Storage you cannot make it out. You cannot get the networking, you cannot get the compute. But these all in your hand. Okay, you have to manage your application. You have to manage your operating system. This all is a part of your like IaaS. Platform, let's talk about the app services. App services, okay. In that app services, this all is getting by Azure, right? But data is your, no? Data means like what? Code. Everything application is yours, right? If you go with your like Gmail, every data is there. Only I'm giving my username, password. Right, buddy? I'm giving my username. Application is also there only, not my. But if you go for app services, application is my. I am creating the app service, right? So this is the famous interview diagram. Don't worry, I'll post this diagram in our Google Classroom today. I'll post the diagram, both the diagram I'll post in the Google Classroom today. Okay. Interview question. What is the interview question? Interview question you'll be getting is, tell me the example of SaaS. And what is SaaS? SaaS is a software as a service like Gmail, Facebook, WhatsApp, Outlook, everything. Platform, app services, function app, Azure SQL. Infrastructure is something called as a like virtual machine. Okay, right? And on premises is my own home. Okay, so this is all about, this is interview question, and you get minimum 2 questions. Okay, in your certification also. Okay, I'll send this to your Google Classroom to you. Okay, thanks. We are winding up the call. Let's meet in the Monday session. Tomorrow we don't have any call. Let's meet in the Monday class. Take care, guys.